Good morning, students. This is JNR. Now we start equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle. Now we find out center and radius of the circle. Now this is the circle equation. Now we find out center and radius. First of all, write given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now comparing this equation, general form of the circle equation. What is the general form of circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So comparing one with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. General form of the equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Comparing one with this equation, x square coefficients are equal. Now comparing x coefficient, y coefficient and constant. What is the x coefficient? This one 2g. 2g equal to, this equation x coefficient is 2. Sign is also most important, plus 2. Now we write 2. 2g equal to 2. Next 2f equal to y coefficient. Y coefficient is minus 4. This is the y coefficient, minus 4. Next c. c equal to constant, minus 4. Now 2g equal to 2. That implies g equal to, now we take this coefficient LHS to RHS, 2 by 2, that is 1. G equal to 1, F equal to minus 4 by 2. C equal to minus 4. That implies G equal to 1, F equal to 2 times cancel minus 2. C equal to minus 4. Next we find out center and radius. Now write center equal to, therefore center equal to, what is the formula of center? Minus G minus F. Minus G minus F. Minus G minus F. That equal to minus G. Minus G is 1, comma, minus F. F is minus 2. F is minus 2. That equal to minus 1, comma, minus into minus, plus 2. Minus 1, comma, 2. This is the center. Center is minus 1, comma, 2. Next we find out radius. Radius equal to, what is the formula of radius? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square plus f square minus c. That equal to square root of g square. What is the g value? 1. 1 square plus f square. F is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus c. C is minus 4. Minus 4. That equal to square root of 1 square. That value is 1 plus minus whole square. Minus whole square means plus. 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus 4. That equal to square root of 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. What is the root value? Root 9 equal to 3. This is the center. Center is -1, comma 2. Radius is 3. So, any circle equation is given comparing general equation of the circle. This one, general equation. Any equation is given. First of all, convert the equation into general form of the circle equation. After that, comparing the two, write G, F, C values. Next, we find center and radius. Center formula is -G, comma -F. Radius formula is square root of G square plus F square minus C. Once observe this one. Okay, students. Next, second sum. Second one. Find the center and radius of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. First of all, write given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Given equation of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. No, not this one, equation 1. Okay. First of all, observe this equation. What is the general form of the circle equation? What is the general form of the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx. But general form of the circle equation, x square and y square coefficient is 1 only. So here x square and y square coefficients are how much? Here 3, 3. So now dividing this equation by 3. Now that implies dividing by 3. 3 cancel. X square plus dividing by 3 plus y square minus dividing by 3. 3 how many times cancel? 3 2s are 6. 2x plus here 4 by 3. Dividing by 3 on both sides. 4 by 3 into y minus 4 by 3. That equal to 0. This is equation 1. Once observe this equation, this is the given equation of the circle. Now convert to that one general form of the circle equation. What is the general form of the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square, y square coefficient is 1. Here 3, this is the general given equation of the circle. Here coefficient is 3 is there. Now this equation dividing by 3 on both sides. So 3 by 3 that is 1 x square, 3 by 3 here 1 y square minus 6 by 3. 3 2 times cancel 2x plus 4 by 3 into y minus 4 by 3 equal to 0 by 3 means 0. Now convert that one. Next, comparing this equation, comparing 1 with general equation of the circle. Comparing 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Comparing 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g equal to x coefficient minus 2. 2f equal to y coefficient 4 by 3. C equal to minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Now that implies G equal to, here 2 is there. Now we take this coefficient. LHS to RHS. Minus 2 by 2. F equal to 4 by 3 into 2 equal to C equal to minus 4 by 3. G equal to 2 cancel one time minus 1. G equal to minus 1. F equal to 4 by 3 into 2. This 2 is cancelled in 2 times. 2 by 3. F equal to 2 by 3. C equal to minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. G, F, C values are there. So now we find out center. Center equal to what is the formula of center? Minus G minus F. Minus G minus F. That equal to minus G minus what is the G value? Minus 1 comma minus F. What is the F value? 2 by 3. F equal to 2 by 3. That equal to minus into minus plus 1 comma minus 2 by 3. This is the center. 1 minus 2 by 3. Next we find out radius. Radius equal to what is the formula? Radius square root of G square plus F square minus C. Square root of G square plus F square minus C. That equal to square root of G square. What is the G value? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus F square. F is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole square minus C. What is the C value? Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Now simplify that one. That equal to square root of minus 1 whole square 1 minus whole square plus 1 square 1. 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 whole square. 2 square. 2 2s are 4 by 3 square. 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now we take LCM. Square root of what is the LCM? Here 3 is cancelled in 9. So 9 is LCM. 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Here 9 is cancelled 4 plus 3. 9 here 9 here 3 is there. 3 times cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. That equal to square root of 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 12, 25. 25 by 9. That equal to here 25 by 9. What is the square root of 25? 5 5s. 5 by 9th root value. 3 3s. Now write 3. 5 by 3. That is the radius. Therefore radius equal to 5 by 3. Radius equal to 5 by 3. Center is 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Radius equal to 5 by 3. Okay students, next sum. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. Circle equation is given. Has the center 2 3. Center is given. Then find a comma b values. A comma b values. Now we find out a b values. After that the radius and find the radius of the circle also. What is the which values are finding? A, b and the radius. First of all, write given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation 1. Comparing one with general form of the circle equation. Comparing one with comparing 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Plus c equal to 0. Now if I write down this one, comparing x coefficients, 2g equal to a, 2f equal to y coefficient, y coefficient is 2f, here b, 2f equal to b. Next, constant c equal to minus 12. And now we find out g value. That implies g equal to a by 2, f equal to b. Now we take this coefficient LHS to RHS by 2. Multiplication, it becomes a division. G, f values are there. Center is given 2, 3. First of all, write out the center. Center equal to minus g minus f. Minus g means minus g is a by 2, comma minus f is b by 2. Minus a by 2 minus b by 2, this is the center. So already center is given how much? 2, 3. Now equating that center. Given center equal to 2, 3. Given center equal to 2, 3. And now equating these two, minus a by 2, comma minus b by 2 equal to 2, 3. X coordinate, y coordinate. Now equating x coordinates, minus a by 2 equal to, that implies minus a by 2 equal to 2, comma minus b by 2 equal to 3. Minus b by 2 equal to 3. By using cross multiplication, minus a equal to 2 2s are 4, minus b equal to, by using cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6. That implies a equal to minus 4, b equal to minus 6. B equal to minus 6. A value is minus 4, b value is minus 6. That is a, b values. Next we find out radius. Now substituting these values in equation 1. This a, b values, put these values in 1. Put these values in equation 1. Put these values in equation 1. Now substituting x square plus y square plus ax. A is minus 4. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x plus by. B is minus 6. Minus 6 into y, minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Equation 2. Put these values in equation 1. Okay. Next we find out radius of this circle. What is the radius? What is the formula of radius? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now comparing this equation, general form of the equation. Comparing 2 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is the 2g? 2g equal to x coefficient minus 4, 2f equal to y coefficient -6, c equal to -12. -12. That implies g equal to -4/2, f equal to -6/2. Now we take this coefficient LHS to RHS. C equal to -12. That implies g equal to 2, how many times cancel? 2 times, -2. F equal to 2, how many times cancel? 3 times. 2 3s are 6, -3. C equal to -12. And next we find out radius. Radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. And what is the g value? -2. Square root of -2 whole square plus f. F is -3. -3 whole square minus c. Minus of c value is -12. That equal to minus whole square plus 2 square, 2 2s are 4, plus minus whole square plus 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus 12. That equal to square root of 4 minus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, 25. What is the root 25? That value is 5. So radius is 5. Radius is 5. My dear viewers, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.